Hello everyone, I'm back again just with a really quick unboxing. This is another bag from Coco. So I've opened up the very well sellotaped box, which was in a DHL bag. So I've opened it up. First of all is this little white ticket with a little picture of the bag on it. So I think if I've watched somebody else's video, this is from one specific factory that does that. I'm not sure which one though. So it is the Catogram. You can get it out. So we do have the dust bag with the blue right in it. It's a little bit dirty. I think that's just from the cardboard where I've had to cut the box open. It's just got a little bit dusty. And here we go. It all looks very good so far. So I just want to have a quick look at the canvas and the pictures of the cats. Because I think the main comparison was how good the pictures of the cats were. So obviously you've got the Louis Vuitton stamping, it is a little bit high. Do have the 30, which is completely covered. Can't really see any of the metal. It looks like shiny metal, not matte. All the stitching looks good. Chaps are puffy. Just having a look around, checking out all the cats. Put it up. Let's see if we can get inside. Open this up. We do have a little bag of goodies. So you've got the key bow, and I'm assuming the lock and the straps. And a beautiful orange inside. So we do have the D-ring. Just turn it around, we do have a pocket. And we do have date code TR5107. Not sure if, oh there we go, I know the signature was supposed to be somewhere. It's on the other side, which is Grace Covington. So it does have a really strong chemical smell. It does, which I've not experienced from Coco's bags before, so I'm not sure if she's using a different factory or a different seller, but I think that is a really little pretty bag. The canvas unfortunately feels quite rubbery. I'm not impressed with this canvas. I'm not sure because that's coated because of the pictures on it. I've not had Louis Vuitton with pictures on it before. I've only ever just had the normal canvas, so this is all new for me. Try and get it in some good sunlight. It's a bit gloomy here today. Just try and get the pictures in. That's the back. Turn it around so I can pop it up again. There's the front. I will post some pictures as well, do some comparisons, but like I said, this is just a really quick unboxing and I will do a full review, but my camera's on the fritz at the moment, so I can't use it. So I just wanted to give you a quick unboxing so I could get this open and have a look at it. But so far it's absolutely lovely. Not sure about the canvas. I'm going to have to do a little bit more research. It looks beautiful. It's the right colour, it's the right style. All the pictures are really good in it. I need to research whether these pictures, how good they are, because some of them look really good, and I'm gonna have to go back to my pre-shipment pictures because I'm not 100% sure. I'm sure that cat was slightly different. I'm not sure. Obviously, I know people have bought lots of these, and some of the reps have been amazing and some of them have been shockingly bad. So until I do a comparison on those, it's hard to tell whether it's a good one or a bad one. I personally think it's really cute and I love it, and I bought it because I bought the Catogram set, which again I love. So I just like to have things that are matching. So, but from experience, Coco's bags, the vachetta tans nicely, and I've had good quality so far. But this is the first kind of different monogram that I've bought. I'm quite a classic girl. I've never bought a character bag or any of their different styles before. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little quick unboxing. I will do an in-depth review. There's just trying to see if I can get a good picture of the little kitty cat. See, it doesn't look that good up close, but I don't know. I'm umming and ahhing about how good the quality is. Sorry, my camera's stopped focusing. But until I do some comparison shots, if anybody's got any advice, any feelings, any thoughts, if you've seen the real one, if you've got criticisms, please post comments, let me know. I always love hearing everybody's views, ideas, comments. So yeah, thank you very much guys, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.